Welcome to Sunset Hills Subaru Service Department. My name is Awais Irfan, and I am a Love Encore Technology Specialist. In this video, we're going to walk you through what you can expect at your next or upcoming service visit. Now, behind me, there are 3 doors. The 2 on my right are actually entrances, and the one on my left is an exit. I know, a little opposite from what you expect on the road, but it's designed this way to make your experience smoother and safer. Why don't we go inside and see how it works? As you pull into the dealership, you'll enter through the 2 left bays. Please pull forward slowly. The doors should open automatically. If they don't worry. One of our advisors will open them for you. Once the doors open, continue to pull forward as far as you comfortably can. When you're inside, you'll notice our team of service advisors waiting for you on the driver's side. This setup is intentional. It keeps everyone safe and makes your check-in much easier. The Sunset Hills Subaru Service Department is separated into 2 teams, depending on what kind of service you need. Our Subaru Express service handles routine maintenance, things like oil changes, tire rotations, multi-point inspections, fluid top-offs, wiper blades, and light bulbs. Most of these services require little time and no appointment is needed. Think of this as fast in, fast out, keeping routine maintenance moving quickly so our main shop can stay focused on bigger repairs. The service shop handles major services and complex concerns like engine repair, transmission issues, electrical diagnostics, and warranty or recall work. These repairs typically require an appointment, so we can schedule time with both a service advisor and a skilled technician. Because of the complexity, the vehicle may need to stay for several hours, or in some cases, longer. It may also involve ordering parts or using specialty tools. If you're dropping your vehicle off after hours, please use one of these many parking spaces that are right behind me. Please do not leave your vehicle in front of the bay doors, as we need those clear for the morning. After hours, after you're done parking, you can head over to our drop-off service box, and if you open inside, you will find an envelope and some pens where you can enter your information and place your key, then place it on top of the flap and close it. As soon as our service advisors will come in the morning, they will contact you to confirm your details and everything that's going on. Sunset Hills Subaru operates the largest service loaner fleet in St. Louis. Loaners are available on a first-come, first-served basis unless one has been reserved during scheduling. Loaners are typically not available for routine maintenance like oil changes or tire rotations. We do offer shuttle rides to and from the dealership. If you need a pickup or a drop-off, please let our team know ahead of time. If you choose to wait, we offer comfortable seating areas, one with a TV and one that's a little quieter for reading or working. We also offer complimentary Wi-Fi, and many tables include easy access power outlets for your laptops and devices. We also offer complimentary snacks, soda, coffee, and bottled water. Make yourself at home. We're glad you're here. If this is your very first service, or you've been with the Sunset Hills Subaru family for years, we appreciate you and thank you for trusting us with your Subaru. We want you to drive away confident, knowing the job was done right the first time. During your visit, you will receive a video inspection from your technician showing you what was done and what they discovered. Also, before you leave, don't forget to ask about your complimentary car wash. It's our way of saying thank you. If you ever have questions about service, scheduling, or your Subaru in general, we're here to help. You can reach our service department Monday through Saturday, and somebody from our team will reach out to you during normal business hours. Thank you again for choosing Sunset Hills Subaru. We're more than a dealership. We're a family, and we're grateful that you're a part of it. We can't wait to serve you on your next visit. Have a wonderful day and drive safe.